Good evening, friends. Good evening, dear friends. How are you? We are myself, Vandana Bhai Das Patil. My education is MA English, MA Hindi, B.Ed with MSc with 84 marks. Today we are learn a simple past tense. See towards the blackboard. See, today's date 8/6/2026, Monday. Grammar course. Tenses. Simple past tense. Formula S plus V2 plus object. Subjects are there: I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Verb means Kriyapad. Object means karma. I is the subject. Played is the verb. We do. A football is object. I played cricket. I played football. We played football. You played football. They played football. He played football. She played football. It he played football. It played football. Pinku played football. I gave a book. We gave a book. You gave a book. They gave a book. He gave a book. She gave a book. It gave a book. Pinku gave a book. Okay. Have a nice day.